Thank you guys. This class was amazing. This collaboration with my sister Eto'o Tsana was amazing. So we are here at Steps on Broadway. I teach every Sunday 4 p.m. here at Steps on Broadway. I also teach every Friday 8 p.m. at Dance in Tribeca. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon. My website is angelkabanyc.com. K-A-B-A.
And I just took Angel Kaba's African Caribbean class at Steps on Broadway. She teaches here on Sundays at 4 o'clock. Let me tell you, the class is amazing, as you can tell.
What's going on, guys? My name is AJ Warrington, taking class with Angel Kaba, one of my best friends, Kaba Eto'o Tsana. Love Afrobeats. I'm a dancer, choreographer, and teacher from Queens, New York. Also work at BDC, Broadway Dance Center. Shout outs to them. Definitely grateful always to take Angel's class.
Everyone, my name is Eto'o Tsana, La Patrona. I am a Congolese, Congo beat dancer, choreographer, teacher, singer. I'm here based in New York City. I am a guest here today at Steps on Broadway at Kaba's wonderful Afro-Dance class. And I am so happy to be here and I was able to share and smile and laugh and dance and release on a Sunday. It was a pleasure to connect with my sister and other sisters and brothers that I met in this room. So I look forward to seeing everyone again and we could share in love and in dance and in unity. If you want more information on me, my name is Eto'o Tsana, that's E-T-O-O-T-S-A-N-A, La Patrona on Facebook, Instagram, Eto'o Tsana, website www.etotsana.com. Matondo Mili.